Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Sealan Makeover. I'm your Sealan, your friend of hairdressing. Long time back we all meeting here in this video. I'm so sorry for the delay, guys. Here after every weekly basis that I'm going to post the video, so no worries at all. So here today in this video that we are going to see again the freehand painting technique, which is called a balayage. So here we are seeing the before picture, and then we have taken a section, the section which will be a diamond section on the top, and then according to all the four corner we are dividing the sections, and then we going to apply with a zigzag pattern, so which you guys will be seeing that sectioning pattern and also my application technique in this video. So here's my model and also one of my client. So she already had some of the color, but she was not happy with the color, and now then she came back to me and then she was looking for something very advanced and very creative, so I suggested to do a freehand technique which is called balayage. So here I'm taking a zigzag section. So when I'm taking a section, you guys would have seen my movements, and also you can see the movements over there. So there's a two way of taking section. Either the same zigzag we can take it in a straight way, or maybe we can even take it in a diagonal backward way. Total two pattern of the sections where I can take a straight zigzag and also little diagonal zigzag from the little right hand side top to the left hand side down, right? So in this sectioning that I'm going to apply the blonder first, because the blonder need to be blend together very easily, and at the same time it has to be blend together very perfect way. So let's see how we can apply the blonder, the lightning. I have taken the section very straight to the head, and then I'm start doing my back combing. Okay, so where I have taken the entire zigzag, all the top arch part, you guys can see it. On the top of it, I'm just doing a nice back combing very smoothly, and then whatever I did a back comb from the mid lengths to root, so I'm just pushing the entire back comb to the root area. And after that I need to place a comb on the top way, in the flatter way, and then we need to push the comb inside of the back combing, and then I need to press it inside. So let's see that how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna place a comb from the surface area, and then pushing the hair comb into the back comb, and then I pressed it. So the hair got locked with the comb. Even the comb will not come down. At the same time the comb will hold the back combing till the time I'm doing my application. Now I'm gonna start my application. So generally we can take a product from the bowl directly, and also we can hold a little bit of the blonder, the product in the back side of the hand on top of the gloves, so we can take it from there. We can start applications, so that you don't need to take every time the product from the bowl and then again applying on the hair, again bowl and then again applying on the hair, so that you don't need to stretch so much your spine. At the same time you can see the application that I'm starting from the down to top. I'm not directly starting from the top, and also we can start from the top, but you need to know how to blend it, so that I'm taking a product directly from my back side of the hand and then starting an application. So I have just created a blending from the down to top, and then I'm also applying the product in the mid lengths, so that you guys can see the application very neat and clean everywhere. So that also you can see there is no any kind of patchy or any kind of bulb application, and very smooth transition. So you can see the product, the blending evenly. So you can see from the root to middle how it was just blended out. There's no any kind of patchy results. And then the middle that we need to blend it very smoothly, so that is what called as sweeping. So basically the balayage is a French language, but in English we do call it as a sweeping, because we are just sweeping the brush. At the same time we should not create any kind of the patchy line, how I have done that now. So there is no any kind of a patchy line. The demarcation line should be visible, so it has to be even, it has to be blended from the both the side corner, and then you need to create a kind of a V direction shapes. So just blend that the connected area very well, so that people they will not see any kind of a demarcation, or at the same time there will no any kind of patchy lines. When you giving a very smooth transparent, the transition results, so your color will look more even from the root to tips, so there won't be any kind of a patchy effect, or maybe there won't be any kind of a bulb effect from the root, or maybe even in the mid lengths to ends. So blend the product as much as possible. That is the major formula for your freehand technique called balayage. The balayage once is done, also we can use the back side of the hand, because many people they just emulsify with the full hand. Don't do that, because your gloves inside also you got a product, and next time when you taking a suction, so that might disturb you on the other area, unnecessary process can happen. So now I'm playing with my next suction. So you can see again I'm doing the back comb, again I'm applying in the same way. Okay, the holding the hair in the straight to the suction. So don't miss the direction, because the more you lift and then you apply the product, you can see the better blending, you can see the better transition, the seamless transition result will be there in your end result. So here also we are now started applying exactly with the straight to the suction. So we are not applying the product straight to the root area. We starting from the middle, the connection where you want to blend the entire ends. From there then we are starting to the root. So when you're doing this kind of application, make sure you're creating a very fine line of the highlighting effect from the root to middle. In the middle, when you're blending it, you can just connect the both the side of the highlighting lines, but make sure there is no again any kind of the demarcation or maybe any strong line. So hold the suction straight to the root and then apply it. The same way you finish your application all over the head. So once you finish, and then you can go for your shampoo station just to rinse out the blonder, but don't just randomly put a water and then just emulsifying or anything, because it's a blonde. So you need to just rinse the hair directly putting your water without any emulsification. So once your shampoo or cleansing treatment is done, then start applying the color as per your client desire, or maybe as per the level of lifting what you did from the blonder. According to the lift only we can do the color. Randomly we cannot choose the shades. It depends on the your blonder lightening level only we can choose the shades. So your client can only decide what type of tone the reflectant that they wanted, but the base wise, the color, everything you need to decide it. This is toning, it won't take so much of time. So once is done, then rinse the hair. Again, no shampoo after blonder hair when you're doing color. So here we go with the results. So this is the end result. Then because we did some kind of a light wave tonguing technique, which I'll be also teaching in my styling sessions. Every session of my styling training, I used to teach how to do this kind of tongs and how to set this kind of styling. So you guys can enroll for your styling training, and you will also can learn this kind of looks and how to also click the good quality picture and videos. So hope this way the entire step by step was interesting and you guys was liking it, I believe. If you like this video, please like it to your friends as well as, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone.